Hi everyone, how is everyone today? Today we will be making one lovely breakfast which is very tasty and kids are also going to love it. It is very nourishing, full of fiber, lots of vegetables, bread rolls. We will not be frying them, we will either grill them or in the oven or we will grill them on a non-stick tawa. To make the bread rolls I need 7 to 8 pieces of bread, cut off the sides and roll it with a rolling pin and flatten them out, and then I will be filling them up with vegetable and using it to make bread rolls. And for the filling I need vegetables which I will boil in little bit of water. I have used potatoes too, 1 carrot, some peas, cabbage and cauliflower. Now I am going to put little water and steam them for 2 to 3 minutes until the potatoes are done. These are the vegetables. I am going to add little bit of water and little salt and keep it to steam with a lid until the potatoes are done. I have added very little water, just enough so that the potatoes get done, and I am going to add some salt and keep it on slow fire for 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetables are done nicely, they have become very soft. Now mash them up and then add dhania patta, chopped onion, then chaat masala, salt I have already added, and garam masala and red chili powder. I have added half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of dhania powder, half a teaspoon of jeera powder, half a teaspoon of dege mirchi, the Kashmiri one, because that is not very spicy, 1 chopped onion and little bit of coriander leaves, and I am going to mash all this up and make it pasty. Since the kids are also going to eat these bread rolls, I am adding 3 slices of cheese, Amul cheese, and I am going to mash this up in the potatoes and vegetables. Take 6 slices of bread. We will make 6 rolls. Cut the sides. I am only cutting the brown sides because these are little hard. This side is okay, so I will leave it. These pieces you can use as breadcrumbs. Grind them in the mixer and use them as breadcrumbs for other things. Now take a rolling pin and flatten them out. Added cheese slices, 3 of them, and mash them up into the vegetables. And now I will be filling them in the bread, in this. Now we will do the filling. Take this bread slice and put little water on the sides. Now take the vegetables and place them in the center like this and roll up the bread. Close the ends and make them all ready together. Then we will grill them on the tawa. Stick tawa and add 1 teaspoon of ghee. I always use cow's ghee for breakfast. Spread it evenly all over on slow gas, and when it warms up, keep these pieces one by one on the non-stick pan. Let one side be done, then turn them over. Keep on turning them over until they are done from both the sides, and then serve with chutney, with ketchup, with french fries or with cheesy dip. Keep on turning them. See, they are getting done nicely, they are getting grilled. Turn all of them. Let this side also be done and then turn them again until they are well roasted from both the sides.